Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good morning. Today is Friday, May the 31st, 2013, and actually it's afternoon in Italy. It's 20 to 8 p.m. and I want to remind you the Italian time zone is GMT +1. Now, in this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the daily chart of the euro dollar, and I will add some brief consideration on the 15-minute chart, and then I will also do a quick review of the dollar index, the daily chart of the dollar index. So let's start. What you see on the screen is the daily chart of the euro. You know that I follow two area of support and resistance. The area of support is coming starting from this 129.10 level here, and the failure level for me is 127.14. Below that level there will be no interest from weekly bulls to continue sustaining the euro price. On the other side, we have this area of offer, and that's coming in the 132.40, starting from this level up to the 133.55, and again above that 133.55 I believe the bears will not have any business with the euro. Now I want to move the scale here because I want to show you the two potential scenarios. We are in a box play still, and there's nothing we can do at the moment. The situation is still not resolved, and I'll show you that this 132.40 level area of resistance and offer kept pushing price lower, and if we break this 127.15 to 25.30 is the area of target we have. On the other side, if we break the 133.55, we have the potential to keep moving higher here, and we have a target in the 141, and this would be the target that all these buyers here in this area are looking for on the weekly chart. So I hope this clarifies the situation. So I'm short from 132.40, and of course my target is 125.30. As we can see, yesterday the bears were able to defend this important level, 30.7678, which I mentioned in my yesterday's review. So what we have here is a market that is being still being sold, responding to sell shorts here, short selling, sorry, and we have the potential of continuing lower into this level of support. We don't know if this is going to hold. We don't know either if price is going to get there. Price may just reverse and keep continuing higher, what is important to keep in mind are those three levels: 133.55 on the more short term, 130.7678, and this 127.15. And if we move above 130.7678, this 132.40 could be retested, and the second tests are always dangerous. We had a second test of this area here on the long side, and bulls held this market. So if we move above 130.76, it will be bears ball to demonstrate they want to keep their position and keep this market moving lower. So no need to rush at the moment. There will be opportunities to enter in this market on the long side or on the short side, and at the moment what we need to do, it's good to wait at the moment. So any consideration I will do in the short term will not change this picture. These three levels are the important levels you have to keep in mind, in my opinion, in the euro dollar. So let's move to the 15-minute chart, and those who follow me and saw my last two days reviews and videos Know that I give particular importance, meaning to this 128.80, and the reason being the fact that this is the anchor, the level from which I and Prawn Trading are tracing their moves at the moment, and it worked 3 times so far. The last time, the third time, it broke. And as we can see here, we had this 129.30 area of resistance with a stop below 129.18. Price 2 days ago on Wednesday never went below this level and hit the first target, and then the same anchor to the new high was used by Praman Trading, as we can see here, and there was a reaction at this 129.44. So these levels are not random levels. They're actual levels being used by Praman Trading, by algorithms. And as we can see, we hit the first target here in the 130 level, and then again the price came back, and as you will see, there has been a reaction to the third trace here, right at this 129.70. Once again, demonstrating that these levels are important, and then we got market participating to the next measure move lower here, short measure move from highs to lows, and this broke the longs. So as you can see, this scenario shows clearly the battle between the longs and shorts. In this case, the long lost because this 129.50 level was violated. And going back to the daily chart, this confirms this area of resistance here. Now, this area of resistance has a first target in this 126.89, which will be compatible with a continuation lower. We still don't know how price will behave if it will get to this level here. We also have another minor level of support we have to keep in mind, and that's the lows of Wednesday to highs and 129.52, and that's the level that's getting participation at the moment. We don't know if this level will be enough to break this 130.76, bring price higher and break the 130.76, but we need to have a look to it. At the moment, I'm simplifying things. I'm just considering these levels, the levels I've explained you and are in my post today. Are in the post on my blog. So let's go quickly to the dollar index. The dollar index, which you see on the screen, is the daily chart, and the dollar index has been responding nicely to measure moves here, and we can see this with this trace from February lows to April highs, and we had this one participation in the 81.40 area, and this 81.40 area let me change the scale here, as a target up. I'm going to show it to you as a target up into the 84.72. So price didn't make it there, and we had this consolidation, and those who follow me know that I've been looking at this level of extension long here. The 83.57 held twice, and then it broke yesterday. Of course, another measure move popped in, and we know exactly what are the levels we have to follow here, because price is reacting nicely to these levels, and it always does. The reason it does it is because these levels are also used by Praman Trading, by software. So as you can see here, this new support level in the 83 area as a target up in the 85.36, while the participation we had below in May as targets in the 84.72. So we will need to see if price keeps moving higher, which means euro keeps moving lower, or this 82.60 level will be broken. If this level is broken, probably we could say that the long in the dollar has ended, and we will be probably in a similar situation as we as we were in July last year. And that's it for today. I hope this review is useful. Keep in mind all the important levels here in the euro. I think that will be very useful for your trading. Of course, I'm a swing trader, so I keep in mind only important levels that can actually change the long trend. So either we break above this 130.78 and then 133.57 and then we continue higher into the 141, or we continue lower and we break this 127.14, trade into this 126.90, and then the target will be 125.30. So I hope this clarifies everything, and thank you very much for your attention. On my blog you can find a new free ebook I'm distributing freely. You can go and register there and download the book. That's about the key concepts to correct trading behavior, and I think it can help you. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.